Have you ever rubbed a balloon on your hair and suddenly your hair stood straight up? It looks like magic, but it's actually science. This happens because of something called static electricity. When you rub a balloon on your hair, tiny invisible particles called electrons move from your hair to the balloon. This gives the balloon a negative charge and your hair a positive charge. Now, every strand of your hair has the same positive charge. And here's the fun part. Things with the same charge push away from each other, so all the hair strands repel one another and stand up. The charged balloon can even stick to a wall or pick up tiny pieces of paper without any glue. That's the power of static electricity. Isn't it amazing that something so simple can create such a cool science trick? If you loved this science fact, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing science stories, and share it with your friends.